Welcome to another video, and it's a beautiful day here in Colorado because I'm going to my first Audi meet of the year, and also it's been a while since I've been to a meet. It's been about almost 3 years now since I've been to an actual Audi meet, so I'm very excited to finally get to go to one and take the S4. So the meet that I'm going to is hosted by Audi Group Colorado, so I'll definitely post a Instagram link here, or screenshot I mean, of the group. So that's the group. So if you are in the Colorado area, definitely by all means go to it. It's at Red Rocks. Also, if you're new to the channel, feel by all means, subscribe to my Instagram account. If you have any questions, anything like 4T related, but by all means, send them my way and I'll do my best to answer them. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So before I go to the meet, I'm actually gonna meet up with a few people. We're gonna meet up at a spot here close by, and then from there we're gonna convoy to the meet. So I'm pretty excited to meet other Audi individuals. All right, so as you can hear, the car is on right now, so I'm letting it warm up here in a little bit before I take it out for the drive to meet up with those other guys. And yeah, I'm very excited to finally get to go. I don't know if I already said that, it's been almost 3 years since I've been to a meet, so I'm very excited. Just got back from the Audi meet. I didn't do too much talking in front of the camera because I'm still, if I was speaking honestly, I'm still kind of a little camera shy in front of other people speaking in the camera. So right now, I think I've kind of gone over that awkward stage of talking to a camera just by myself, but doing it out in public, it's still kind of a little awkward for me still. So I'm sure I'll get used to it as the more meets I go and I'll feel more comfortable. But overall, like, I had a good time. There's a lot of cars there, so it was really nice to chat up with some people I haven't seen in a few years. And yeah, so again, I think this will be kind of a shorter video once I done editing it, but hopefully you guys enjoyed watching the content, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and hope you guys have a good one. Thanks.